Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's and Apron. We just got back from a wonderful 8-day cruise, and one of my favorite things that they have, it was Carnival Cruise. One of my favorite things that they have on that ship is an appetizer. Sorry, I was watching a bird fly down. It's a sweet chili marinated chicken. I think that's my actual favorite food that they have. And I am going to try to make it here. Come on. I already have 2 chicken breasts in my slow cooker. Yes, look, Holly, I remembered. I remembered. I'm going to try the G. Hughes sugar-free Thai chili. It's a wing sauce, as you can see, but I'm going to cool it down a little bit with some brown swerve. It's got that little bit of that maple leaf flavor that y'all know I love. So let's get this. I don't have my light in here. I was just going to throw all this in there and do that, but hey, you guys have been sticking with me, so let's do this. Again, I have 2 chicken breasts. Now I'm going to add a few things probably that they didn't. I'm going to use half a cup of this Thai chili sauce. And I'm just pouring it over all of the chicken. Like that. See there, look at that. I love the taste of this sauce. It's the first time I've used this one. And it's delicious. Delicious. Next, close that lid so we don't have a spill. Remember, big jar is getting a little sparse, so I'm gonna have to get some more of this. And I'm putting about 2 tablespoons in there because this is a very spicy sauce. Now, unless you like it spicy, I can eat it like this. Spicy isn't Tom's most favorite, so we're just going to do it like that. So I'm going to put this in my slow cooker. I'm going to put it on high for about 4 hours. I'm going to put just a few little peppers and onions in here too. I don't think they did that. Maybe they did, and it was cooked down. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put just a little bit in there. I apologize. It was something I was just going to throw in there, and then I happened to think, you know what, just go ahead and grab your camera and vlog this because your viewers might be interested. But this is just the pepper onion blend from Walmart, and I'm just grabbing a handful of it and put in there because we don't want this. I'm going to throw one more red pepper in there for good measure, but we don't want that to overpower the flavor of our Thai chili sauce. But there we go. Put your lid on. Now I like to pull my bag up because this gets pretty hot on this metal. So there we go. So we'll be back in 4 hours. Okay, I'm going to take the chicken out, and I'm actually going to put it over here in the pot. I just want to get a little brown on it. Not that it needs it at all, because it cooked very well in the slow cooker, but I want to put them in there and just let them get a little sear on them. Sounds good, don't it? And after I do that, I'll just remove it and set it off to the side. Then I'm going to take the drippings. Look at that. But I'm going to take the juices and the drippings from the slow cooker and put it in my pasta water. There we go. And I'm using Barilla's gluten-free pasta. I could not get the gluten-free angel hair pasta, so we went with just the regular spaghetti. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I like that. There we go. I'm just going to take our chicken out and set it in this bowl. I'm going to pour the liquids into the skillet. Not a skillet, is it? It's a pan. By crackies, it's a pan. I'm going to add water to it. If you got chicken broth, go ahead and put some chicken broth in it. I forgot to get any of that. So I'm just going to put some water in there. And I'm also going to put some more of the Thai chili sauce in there. I'm going to say 1/4 cup. 1/4 of a cup. Sounds good to me. Now I'm not going to put any cayenne pepper in it. If you want to, you can. It's just not what I'm going to do. Just stir it around. Oh shoot, what am I doing? I'm using metal. I know, I'm not supposed to. Oopsie. Y'all know. I just set it over to the side, get it out of the way. I'm going to put a little bit more in there, and then we're going to get this up to a boil. Boil. Yes, we're going to get it up to a boil, not a boil. So y'all can hear and understand this Kentucky accent. There we go. Let's crank that heat up and get that to cooking. I'm going to heat up just a little bit more of that sauce, I think, that we can pour it over our chicken and our pasta if we want to. There ain't no W in sauce either, I know that. Sauce. We're going to heat some of the sauce. Not sauce. I need my light. Ah, that's what I need. My little light that click on there. Or clip on there. That's my little handy dandy McGafferism that the Gilberts let us know about. Look at that. Ha! There we go. Hot digging dogs. See, I don't have to get that big one. I forgot. I forgot I had this. Can you believe that? Just as soon as we saw that on their little gadgets video, we were on Amazon getting one. But I'm just going to slice my chicken up. I think I need a bigger knife though. Pretty sure. Our pasta water is starting to boil, so oh boil. Don't forget, that's what you need, right there. Look, you see that? Ow! We actually purchased a new sunblock through Amazon, and this thing was rated, you know, really very highly rated. Friendly to the coral, to the fishies, all that kind of stuff. Does it look like to you it worked? You see that? No, it didn't. It didn't work for me. It did not work for Tom. It did not work for my brother-in-law or sister-in-law. And my brother-in-law is already dark complected. He's somewhat Cherokee. And so he has a good dark complexion already. But he had blisters on his stomach and his back. And he put that on before. So we threw it in the garbage. I'm not going to say the name of it or nothing. I'm just saying we're not getting it anymore. Anyhow, back to what we were doing. I'll turn my heat back down some. I'm going to tell you what now. Be ready for when this is boiling. Be ready for when this is boiling. That it's going to put out some little bit of heat flavor there. or a little bit of heat that might make you cough. Might or might not. So if you hear a little it's because this Thai chili stuff is stout while it's in boiling water. Tom said he doesn't want any more of the sauce. He's just going to use the pasta water on his. I might just do that too, come to think of it. We'll see. Get this stirred up. Now, because I don't have the instructions on how to do it, this is my version of the Carnival Cruise Line's sweet chili marinade chicken that they serve as an appetizer on some of their ships. Now, it's been a while since I've got to have any of it. So, on some of their ships, it is served as an appetizer. It should be on every one of them, in my opinion. It should be it should be an entree, not an appetizer, but that's just how much I like it. But this is my version of it, and we'll definitely have the full recipe on Handcrafted By on my Facebook page. The pasta is finished, so I'm just going to set it over here. Yep, that's hot. And just get it out and put it in a bowl. And it still has the peppers in it and the onions from earlier when I first started cooking. There's that. Just get that over out of the way. And we're going to go ahead and add our chicken to the top. Got a few more little bits to it. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to move the spaghetti, the pan of spaghetti back over here. And for our sauce, we're going to use the liquid from the pasta. Because don't forget now, it's got all that good taste and flavors to it. So it's got all the flavors in it from when I had it in the slow cooker. And then of course when we put it in the, over here in this pan to cook it, to cook the pasta, I did add some more of the sauce to it, remember? So there we go. I'm going to give it just a few minutes to cool down, and then we're going to get Tom to give it a try. I gotta set this down because it's burning my fingers. Okay, be back soon. Okay, we've got it ready, and Tom is going to go ahead and give his. It's hot. It's hot, hot. You want to set it down, or?
Yeah, I'll set it down.
Okay.
Probably the easiest way to do it.
Yeah, I have mine too, and I did go ahead and add just a little bit more of the sweet chili sauce, or the Thai chili sauce, whatever you want to call it, to mine. There's mine right over. Alright, fire on it.
I don't have a spoon, so I have to wind this up the old-fashioned way.
You want a spoon?
No.
Oh.
I'm just making a joke. I don't know how to use it.
He's making fun of me, because I like to use a spoon with my spaghetti.
Hey, it works, so.
It does. I ain't get one out either. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Mm. That That is so good.
Is it too spicy for you?
No, it's not too spicy for me.
Yay. Okay, well then. Oh, y'all know I'm gonna blow that because it will scald my gizzard if I don't. Mmm. Hold on. That is good. Very good. It does not 100% taste like the Carnival Cruise Line one. Number one, there's not spicy hot. And I don't know. I've tried G-Hugh's just the sweet chili sauce. And that'll light you up even more than this does. So, with that being said, I hope you all give this a try. I think you'll like it. You all will find that I use my slow cooker year round. I don't just use it in the winter. I especially like to use it in the summer and the warmer months. Because, you know, if it's raining outside like it is today, and you can't get out there to the grill because you don't have a covered awning, and we don't. Throw you some chicken in your slow cooker. It'll be done on high in 4 hours. Put you some pasta in there with it. Make you some gravy. Whatever you want to do. It's yours to do with. But give this a try. I think you'll like it. So until next time, if you have not subscribed yet, I hope you will. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up and give me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Click the notification bell so that you'll know every time that we put new content on. And typically we put new content on every Tuesday morning at 6 a.m. so that it's on there for your viewing pleasure. You all take care. And we shall see you next time. Bon appetit and bye now.